Alright, in this video I'm going to try and provide you with some strategies to solve anagrams with. Anagrams are a very common problem found in general ability exams. Alright, so the question we have is change the order of the letters in moist to make a new word meaning. Alright, well the first thing you could do is probably eliminate damp, because that means that is the definition of moist. Basically it's a synonym, so it's probably not going to be that. Alright, the next thing I would notice is that two of the choices basically end with an S. Alright, there are verb, excludes, which means to leave out, ends with an S, comes together, so like integrate or congregate or amalgamate, but we've got the S again there, comes together. Alright, so let's return to the original word. It's a 5-letter word. Right, that means there's 120 possibilities of reconfiguring the word, because it's 5 factorial, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. So let's take out the S, because we think this anagram might end with S. So let's rewrite what that leaves us with, M-O-I-T, and let's just hypothesize for the moment that S comes at the end. Right, that leaves us with 2 vowels, O and I, and 2 consonants, M and T. Alright, so a good strategy to use here is to alternate the pattern of vowels and consonants. So let's try a few. We'll go with I, M, O, T, IMOT. Sounds like it could be a word. Alright, now let's swap the O and the I. Or no, first we'll swap the T and the M. I, T, O, M. That seems like it could be a word again. Might never have heard of it. Right, now let's swap the vowels. O, T, I, M, otim. And now we're getting to the one that it will be if we swap the consonants around. O, M, I, T. Omit. Omit means to leave out. Alright, so we have a word here that means excludes. So we put the S on the end of that. We've got omits. That means the answer will be B, excludes. So see, by taking the S out of it, we reduced the possibilities from 120 down to leaving us with 4 letters, 24. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Alright, so that's a couple of pretty good strategies there, I think. Put the S at the end if you can see in the possible answers that they are also putting the S at the end, and then alternate the pattern between the vowels and the consonants. See, even if you didn't know the word omit, so because I already knew it, I'd be able to solve this one pretty quickly. You would be able to go through that strategy and possibly realize that omit was the only valid word out of those 4 choices that you came up with.